So here's how to download and update Realtek HD audio driver in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, you want to right click the start button and go to the device manager. Then you want to expand the audio inputs and outputs, and then select on the audio output device. Click on it, and then right click and choose update driver, and then search automatically. Now, if you can't find anything automatically, try searching for updates in Windows Update. Then you want to click on View Optional Updates, and from here you can choose the audio driver if you do find it in this list. Then you want to check it and click on Download and Install. Otherwise, if you can't find it in here, you can close this and open the browser. And then you want to search your motherboard model. So for example, for me is B360 Gaming Plus, which is MSI, I think. And now you want to click on the manufacturer website for that specific motherboard. And then you want to scroll down and see where you can find drivers. Or you can go back to Google and add drivers next to the motherboard model name. And then you want to click on the first link again. And now, as you can see, we have drivers and downloads and a bunch of other things. Now we want to come to drivers and downloads and then go to drivers section and choose our Windows and operating system version. Then you want to choose which driver you're looking for. So for example, onboard audio drivers. And then you can find the Realtek HD universal driver. You can click on download to install it from here. Now these websites from manufacturers always give you the compatible drivers, but if you know specifically the audio device or the audio that you have on your motherboard, if you know the model exactly, you can search it up and download the driver from the Realtek official website directly. But the easier ways is to always look up your motherboard model and from there get the drivers for audio network and a bunch of other drivers. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.